主小，许福福出城秋阳，小神阳。
Hi, today I want to show you how to run FLUX.2 klein on my 8GB of VRAM. Just go to Config UI, make sure you got the latest update, and template, search for klein. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the 4B distilled model. Here you have to put your model. I got my model from Hugging Face. This side, I will link it in the description. The diffusion model, and I got the 4B safe tensor. For VAE and text encoder, you will find the links here. If you have been following my tutorial, you should have the Qwen text encoder already, so you don't need to download this. I'm going to run exact the same images and same prompt as I did for Qwen-Image-Edit 2511. Let me show you my old image. So this is the workflow from Qwen 2511. Basically, I'm using 3 images. The first one is the couch here, and the second one is the stitched image of these 2 heads. And the image is the dress here. And the prompt is referring the living room of image 1 and the dress from image 3. In the FLUX.2 workflow, I have only 2 images here. You can see I got image 1, image 2. Then if I go to the subgraph, I can extend it. You can see here, this is image 1 input, image 2, and the image 1 go to the reference conditioning of the second one. So basically I can add another one here. Now I'm going to show you my modified version of the workflow. So you can see I added the third image here, and I added here reference conditioning. This is the subgraph. Let me go back to up here. I've got the first image here, the second image here, stitched together, and the third one is the dress. Now I've got 3 images, so I can use the exact prompt here because it's referring to image 3. So I need to make sure I got image 3. Before I run it, I need to change my seed here. Somehow it doesn't change at all. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, it's done. Let's check the time. 70 seconds, that's very fast. Have a look at the result. Okay, that's not quite right. Let me give you a compare to the Qwen version. Run the preview here. You can see somehow they are massive, like giant. And I don't know why they are not sitting on the couch, but you can see the dress is there, the faces are there. The lady doesn't look quite like the original image. And you also can see this leg, the knee is giant. I don't know why it's so strange. I think the FLUX.2 is not very good in anatomy. Now let me try another image. This is the Qwen version, similar to the other one, but just change the lighting to evening lighting. I've got the workflow already prepared. And the same couch, 2 people. The only thing I have changed is the dress here, and there's a handbag. And the prompt is exactly the same as the Qwen 2511. Now run it. Okay, it's done. Let's compare the result with Qwen 2511. And you can see it look like a giant sitting there, and somehow it changed to the flash lighting, and the back is not that good as the Qwen here. So I'm not very happy with this. And even the jacket is not what I like. Anyway, you have to decide which one you like. I prefer the Qwen-2511. And the handbag, you can see the dress, everything looks so right here. Okay, next one I want to show you a more challenging scene. Let me show you the Qwen version. So basically I'm using an open pose to generate this image. Let me show you the workflow. Okay, this is the workflow. The first image is the open pose, and the second image are the stitched faces here, and the third one is the jacket the man is wearing. And run it. Okay, it's done. Let's compare the result. Put the pose here. Okay, as you can see here, somehow the legs are here. You can see it got the pose, but just not the right. Instead of the legs here, it's put the arm here, and there's an arm here, and just everything just a mess. I don't think I can get any better than that. I have tested many times, but every time it got the pose, but just everything is totally wrong. Okay, the next one is I want to show you something like my intro, replacing the costume of the person in the image or something, whatever small stuff in the image. This is the image I want to replace the dress here and the jacket the man is wearing. I give it reference image of the dress, and here the man should be wearing this here. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the result here. It's not bad at all. So you can see the dress here, and there's no image for the handbag. I just put the description of the handbag, and we can check out the man's jacket here. So it's not bad either. Looks good. One thing I want to show you, I'm not always such lucky that got this right. Let me show you the bad example. And you can see here, because it's a long dress and this is a short one, it has to re-render this part of the couch. For some reason, they just put a towel here. That happened many times to me, and sometimes it is even worse here. Let me show you another bad example. You can see this part has to be re-rendered, and it just put a cloth here, and the leg looks terrible. So, as you have seen in my use case, FLUX.2 klein is not something for me. Like the proportion is wrong and the color is not that good. Only replacing the clothing at the end, it's very nice. Most of the case it's correct. The fact is FLUX.2 is faster than Qwen-Image-Edit. Those images I normally need about 2 minutes, and this one like just 50 seconds. That's not bad at all. You can try it out and decide which one you would like. I will stick with Qwen-Image-Edit 2511 for a while. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
新年好，祝福福和就有冲锋效，歌声鸣柔，岁岁平安恩年，今日再相见。
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.